Hey, good morning, guys. There goes my turban. Okay, happy Friday. Hope you're doing fine wherever you are in the world. If you're in Switzerland, well, good morning. Okay, good night. Some places, good afternoon already. So, welcome to all the new members as well. I hope you're doing great. You're enjoying your time, connecting with people in the group. So, don't forget to drop your video, your 15-20 seconds video. Introduce yourself, say where you are, what you do, and how we can connect, and what you would like to share in the group to let us know. One of my favorite quotes is, quit once, it becomes a habit. Never ever quit. That's my mantra. And I hope you will adopt that as well. No matter where you are in life right now, if you're experiencing some hard times, if you're going through a lot of anxiety, fear, the emotional brain is taking control of you, listen, know that, get professional help of course, and know that this too shall pass. Never ever give up on your dreams. Okay, and if you need to talk to someone, ping me, this group. There are so many people in the wellness space. Just reach out to someone. Know that someone is there for you. Okay, so today I want to share with you some simple wake me up, I call them pick me up morning beauty secrets. So one of my absolute favorites, all natural from Mother Earth. So this rose water, all you do is, oh my God, I just can't get enough. I spray it on my hair and all over my body. I can never get enough of it. It smells really, the scent of rose, as you know, it's just so beautiful. Waking up on mornings and just going to your garden, if you have a rose garden, just imagine sticking your nose out there, how beautiful it is. It's just mind-blowing, right? Well, I love rose water, and I hope you do as well. Well, some of the benefits, it keeps the skin, it is actually moisturizing for the skin. So if your skin is extremely dry and sensitive, this is a really great go-to product. It also great for sensitive skin and for mosquito bites. If you get mosquito bites, you can spritz this all over. It will soothe the skin. It will not, if you have already like broken skin, it may not heal it, but it will soothe it and keep it nice and calm. Okay, so this you can use under your makeup, over your makeup. It actually is uplifting for your makeup as well. So if you're getting ready right now to go to work, spritz this under your makeup, and when you're done, just spritz this again, so it seals the makeup and it keeps the skin moist. Absolutely fantastic, especially when you're flying for summer. Oh, keep it in your pocket everywhere. Don't give up on this, okay? Next is, oh my God, the bomber. For those of you who have not yet tried CBD, okay, CBD, head on over to my podcast in his products, and I'm also using it in my brand. So you have Pristine drops as well, cannabis drop, and this is so soothing. When you take 2 drops in the back of your throat, it keeps you very in the next hour, no anxiety, no stress, and you feel so great. It's also great before sleep as well, and it enhances your mood. It's great because your body produces the natural endocannabinoids. Okay, so this is another session I will need to discuss the benefits of CBD. Okay, but what I'm saying right now is that it is a great go-to product. So let's see. I'll show you how to use it. So all you do is it comes in this. This is 22%. There are many, there's a range of CBD, the strength of it. This one is about like on the higher level, 22%, then it goes down to 11%. I think the other one is about 6 and then down to 2%, but that's really like watered down. But this is like a really bit more concentrate it is, the better, which I love. So, and you can also use it in your hair. Oh my God, it's a tincture. You can mix it with the argan oil from my website, on my web shop. I also have the argan oil, and argan oil is good for the whole entire body and the hair. So you can mix it with a bit of aromatherapy oil, and this plus your argan. It's a bomber. So I show you how to use this drop. So 2 drops. Oh my God. It tastes, it tastes really great. Okay, you thought I was gonna say something else. But this is available in my store. And if you would like it, we are now launching it. Very soon, we are working on the labels right now. So check this out. Drop me a line if you would like to get just a hang of this. If you want to test it, let me know. I can do a focus group with you guys and we can test some great stuff. This is not about selling. This is about helping you on your health and wellness journey, okay? So this is why I'm doing this, so that you guys will be stress-free. You will feel beautiful from the inside out, because this is what it's all about. Beauty is not just on the outside. Beauty starts from within, and I truly believe this. I have lived this journey my entire life, and I cannot, tell you how grateful I am, and for all the people that, keep on inspiring me when they tell me how great they feel after using something that they had no clue about, and now their life has been transformed. How about that? Okay, so much for that. And my next go-to is Pristine. Okay, this is from the brand Zalina, Swiss Organic. And Pristine, we created this facial oil with 8 extracts. This is handmade. This is natural. This is not a white label. This is not just a label we stuck on. This is something that I created from scratch. It's certified organic, Swiss organic, okay? And I am gonna use this. So if you would like to have glowing, healthy skin for the rest of your life, well, plant-based is the best, okay? I have done many videos. There's one video on my YouTube, I spoke about conventional and green beauty. There's a difference between both. And I hope you will check it out and understand why we do what we do in the beauty, in the space of unconventional beauty, which is green beauty, clean beauty as well. So I love just putting you don't need that much, just 2 drops is enough. Put it back here. And then on the tip of the fingers, I love doing this. And then you just pat it on all over the face. Obviously, your face will be cleansed, right? So if you wake up with dirty skin, then just clean it. You have to cleanse it. I will do a full routine another time. Okay, my turban is falling off my head, but I just want to finish that. So you pat it. I love to pat it. And then you can quickly go all over the face like this. Pat it. So it gives like a little tingle, like massage all over the face. You could do this. Tap it over. And then don't forget the neck, and you can just massage it over the neck like this, okay? And take the back of your hand and just give yourself a little massage in the morning, so you wake up and you feel, oh my God, all this nice tingling feeling. It's so great. It's so amazing. It's your little self-love. So you can look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, I love you, right? I love me, because I am a gift from the universe, and it's the best thing you can do for yourself every single day. Look at yourself in the mirror, look into your eyes, no matter what part of, what walk of life you came from, it does not matter. Embrace your flaws. I give you one little thing that you don't know about me, okay? When I was a little girl, my nose, I was criticized. They told me my nose was too big, right? And oh my God, every day I would stare at myself in the mirror. Well, one day I'm going to tell you what I did, but I'll keep that a secret for now. But I was so mortified, and every day I just didn't feel good growing up, until one day I got discovered as a model. And that's when I realized that it didn't matter anymore. But it took many years before I became confident in my own skin. I had so many hang-ups about beauty. And that's why today I'm doing what I'm doing, because I know there are so many women out there who've been criticized and they take it personally, and they never really found the true purpose to understand why they're here and their true calling. Okay, so now this is a little bummer. It's made with bay leaf, coriander, water, hot water, of course, and grapefruit. You can also use orange peel. I learned this from my mom. So how do you prepare this? You need to peel a grapefruit or an orange, and you hang it in your in your kitchen somewhere or outside. You can just get a hanger and let it dry, air dry, until it gets really hard and crisp. Then you just break a piece, wash it, of course, if it collects some dust while it's drying. Then you drop it in the water and leave it for about 5 minutes, and then it gives your tea such a beautiful flavor, and it's also great for digestion. So you can also drop half of a lemon or a slice of lemon in this. So it's a great pick-me-up on mornings. I really love it because my stomach feels really calm. It's really eases with digestion, and it sets the tone for the day as well. So, and it's very refreshing, and of course the smell, it's beautiful. So this is absolutely fantastic. I'd love to stir it up. I'm going to taste it a bit. So this is great. And then before I close off, don't forget your meditation, deep breathing. I love to take deep breaths. It's deep, very deep, and it's called diaphragm breathing. So I do counts of 6 and pause. So you can do it like this. You can take your thumb and press the right nostril and inhale with the left until your stomach just feels like a big ball. You're not breathing up here, okay? It's all the way down here, and this is cleansing. It's a detox, okay? So you in, and then take these 2 fingers on the left and press and exhale. Inhale again. So you do on each side 6 count, 6 inhale. So that first breath is 6 in and then 6. And your stomach is going to feel so strong and powerful, and your whole body is going to feel light. So this is, it's so magical to start your day with that. Okay, so we got the beauty, we got the inside, the outside, the inside. And of course, if you're a yoga junkie like me, I will do 15 to 20 minutes of yoga just to get the chakras going as well. And just open up the body everywhere, okay, to receive. And one good place to practice this, if the sun, in the sunrise, oh my God, that's even better because you get that pure energy, the purity from nature, okay? And I love weights. For those of you who know me, I'm a fitness trainer as well. So I take these everywhere I go. Sometimes when I travel, I just put them in my luggage. I have the 5 kilos, 10 kilos, but I just take the light ones. So what you could do on mornings, you just morning press, okay? Up, down, inhale, exhale. Don't forget to breathe, okay? And then some bicep curls, just to keep the blood flowing, okay? So when you're at rest, the oxygen flow is about 30%, 20 to 30. And when you really get in the flow and you've done all the stuff in your morning routine, it gets up to about 70 or 80%. And so you're oxygenated. Then you're energized to perform and function for the rest of the day. And you will not be sleepy and listless. You will feel so powerful. Then you go grab something to eat. So just do a little bit of the weight training. You can do some sit-ups with it, as well as squats, and just some basic work with it. So I have a couple of videos I want to release, will release soon. So there are some really great training sessions that you can practice, and they will be on my YouTube soon. Okay, so that's it for today, and I hope you have been practicing. You know, I'm sure you're already on this journey of staying healthy and keeping everything well connected, your mind, your body, and spirit. These things are so important. It gives the soul that food it needs, and to be in that space of quiet and peace with yourself. Isn't that what we all want? So simple little things can make such a big difference. So I'm gonna take this stuff out of my head and get dressed and get to work. So while you practice your routine, wherever you are in the world, I hope you're up now. And cheers to you, and here's to you. Happy Friday, guys.